It's really nice to see everyone. Hi, I am making little purses today, getting ready for my craft show tomorrow. So that's what I've been doing. And I'm making a rainbow color purse, little girl's purse. So welcome back to my This Crochet YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And watch out for the latest videos that I will be posting. So if you're a crocheter, what projects are you doing right now? I would like to know. Leave your comments below. What I'm doing is I'm doing 3 shell rows, and in between is 3 rows of single crochet. So I have 7 shells across. Chain 2, make a shell on top of the chain 2 spaces of the next of the shell. So shell is single crochet, 2 chains, single crochet in the same space. Another row of the shell, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the chain 2 space. Then you go to the next shell. Oops. One, two, three, and then we're going to go back to single crochet, 1, 2 single crochets in each shell, but 1 single crochet at the end first. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and 16 at the end.